Hello everyone. Today we start a new topic, hollow concrete block masonry in a module number 2, masonry construction. So here we discuss about in a hollow concrete blocks. So what is hollow concrete blocks? Common size of the hollow concrete block, advantages of the hollow concrete block, area of application of hollow concrete block. Next is we discuss about the construction method of the hollow concrete block and situation where the hollow concrete block masonry is used and comparison or advantage of the hollow concrete block masonry using in place of the brick or a stone masonry, and at the last we discuss about tools and plans used for the hollow concrete block. Now we start what is hollow concrete block. So the use of the cement concrete block masonry construction has been developed rapidly due to various advantages which they possess overall traditional building material like a brick and stone. The cement concrete block may be solid or hollow, and solid blocks are available in the market with a traditional name is a Siporex, and which are a light in a color, means they are generally in a gray color, and also in a light in a weight, and a block shall be water absorption less than the 10%. So what is water absorption? When we put a block in a water or a merge in a water for a 24 hours, so block is not absorb the water more than 10%. Now cement concrete is a largely used for the construction purpose on account of its numerous advantages over the other building material. Hollow unit may be defined as those units which have a core void area greater than the 25% of the total area. Now these hollow blocks permit the adoption of a thinner wall which ultimately result in a increase the floor space, and as that the add space in the block of a 25% of the total area of the block, it means there is saving in a material because in a 25% of the part is a hollow part. So here hollow part, no any single material used in a hollow part, so it is save the material. So here some of the common size of the block are given. So here three size is given, and also we construct or we prepare a block as per our required size. uh, it's only depend on the size of the mold. So if the size of the mold we prepare as per the our dimensions, so we construct or we prepare a block as per our dimensions. So here some of the common size is given, like a 39 centimeter length, 19 centimeter width, and 30 centimeter in a height. So second size is 39 by 19 by 20, and third size is 39 by 19 by 10 centimeter. So here all the dimension are given in a centimeter. So see this figure. In this figure we seen the exactly seen the uh, different types of the hollow concrete block. Here material use is the same, like material use is cement, sand, or and quarry dust and water. But here inside part means hollow portion shape is a different. So in this hollow portion shape different, in a some of the in a first figure, so the here two hollow is given but size is a less, and in a second number figure two hollow is given but size is more, and in a third number figure four hollow is given but size of the hollow is different. Now concrete hollow block are a new innovative technology in a building construction work, and its infrastructure, and these blocks are a better substitute to work faster and faster to the building a structure long and lasting value. And this will give a different look and to less your energy bill and making the eco-friendly atmosphere in the building. And concrete block require low maintenance and provide a insulation from the sound and heat, and are also fire resistance. So most of the important thing is that block require less cement mortar for the joint and require little or even no plaster, thus it speeds up the construction process work. So here in a block required less cement mortar means on the surface of the block no uneven surface is seen. So here required mortar is a less mortar, and in a plastering no uneven surface, so plaster work require less thickness. So overall we save the cement plaster material. Now high dimensional accuracy consists of the finish make it an ideal building material for the both the load bearing structure and as a partition wall. And these hollow concrete block have a high stress bearing capacity, so widely used in a building construction practice. Now concrete hollow block are a light in a weight, and hence they can be used in a construction house in a earthquake resistance building or earthquake prone uh, areas. And hollow concrete block are used and substitute for the conventional brick or stone used in a construction building, light in a weight than the brick, and hence the block are easier to place, and it also reduce the consumption of the cement. The strength of the strength of this block varies with the reinforcement of the cement, sand, stone chips. Like here, ratio is a 1:3:6. So what is 1:3:6? So one part of the cement, three part of the sand, and six part of the stone chips or a quarry dust. And after mixing these three material, we add the water, and we got a higher compressive strength uh, block material. Now next is the advantages of the hollow concrete block. So these block are most effective and compared to other traditional wall system or a wall construction system, and it has a high quality, high strength, and uniform size and shape. So here high quality because its surface is a very smooth surface, and high strength. So in a high strength as compared to brick, so strength is a higher in a hollow concrete block. And uniform size and shape. So in a uniform size and shape because this hollow concrete block is made manually and machine by using the machine, and it's a standard in a size. No uneven shape is we seen in a hollow concrete block, and it is totally energy efficient and does not require non-renewable resources for its production, and it does not disturb the environment ecosystem, uh, and hence they are eco-friendly or environment friendly since waste and the local resources can be utilized for the construction and production. And structural performance can be engineered as per the application, and it can be constructed both in a factory or on a site. So in short, production is a decentralized means it can be produced on a site or on a factory. So as per the requirement we produce or we select the site of the production. Now machine production provide a smooth finish which offer the saving in the cement plaster. And next is a semi machine machinized process produce a high quality of the material, provide adequate working opportunities. And the hollow space in a block makes the masonry work soundproof, heat proof, and damp proof wall. Now next point we discuss is the area of the application of the hollow concrete blocks. So these block can be used in a load bearing structure, low rise residence, office building, bungalows, shelter units for rural housing, high construction institutional building, godowns and warehouses, etc. And also we also application of the hollow concrete block used in a frame structure such as a high-rise building or apartment, office building, market complex, hospital and hotels, etc. Also, it can be used as a ground laying units like a interlocking paver block system or a paver block for a roadside walkway, garden pathway, curbstones and exhibition grounds, and fuel pumping station, movement corridor, high traffic movement areas like buses and train station, etc. And it can also use in a specific usage area like a tree guard blocks for a roadside and a garden tree plantation. So these are the main four application is seen in this slide. So area of the hollow concrete block production. Now construction method of the hollow concrete block. So here methodology is divided into main four part. First is a mixing, second is a molding, third one is a placing, and fourth one is a curing. So one by one we discuss. So first we discuss about the mixing. So in the mixing, the cement aggregate ratio should not be less than the 1:6, and mixing consists of the fine aggregate as a 60%, means fine aggregate means sand as a 60%, and a coarse aggregate is a 40%. So here coarse aggregate size is specified like we use a size of the 6 to 12 mm in a size, and one bag of the cement. So all the material are mixed with each other, and mixing of the fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and cement is thoroughly mixed so as to get a homogeneous mass. And commonly mixing is done manually before adding the water into three ingredients are mixed properly with the help of the spade, and water is added in this mix, and again it is mixed by making the mix upside and down by several times with a spade, and care has to be taken that mix should have a better consistency. Now second point of the uh, construction of the method of hollow concrete block is a molding. So after making a homogeneous mass of the concrete inside by the processing of mix, it become under the next operation is called a molding. So molding can be done either by the hand casting or by machine casting. So molding by machine is preferable to hand casting because it give a better finishing. So in a molding we use the iron mold or a steel mold. So in a steel mold we fix the material, prepared material, and then after mold it in as a hollow block. Now next point is a placing. So after the taking the block out of a mold, it is placed very gently without disturbing its dimension, and these blocks are kept under the shade for at least 24 hours. And last procedure or a last point of the hollow concrete block manufacturing method is a curing. So after taking the block out of the mold, they are kept under a shade for the at least 24 hours, and they immerse in a water tank for curing at least 1 week. And second methodology is a sprinkle of the water by the plastic pipe. It is most common method for the curing and preferably used for the construction site. And after completing the process of the curing, the block may be stacked with a sail. Now next point is a situation where the hollow concrete block masonry is used. So the situation is given, the hollow concrete block are used where the construction are required in a rapid because the size of this block it is a little more than the brick, and there are number of the joint, therefore the number of the joint and cores are less, and it is light in a weight and easy to handle. And as a hollow concrete block are in light in weight, the loads transferred to the foundation is a much less than the stone masonry and a brick masonry. So they are used as at the location where the soil are low bearing capacity. And as there are a greater saving of the material, the hollow concrete block are to be used where the greater economy is to be achieved. And in a RCC construction work, construction wall is done over and over the beam only, not on a slab directly. But the construction of the hollow concrete block work may be done directly on a slab where there is no any other alternative. This can be done because hollow concrete block has a light in a weight. Now in the next topic we discuss about the hollow concrete block masonry has the advantages over the brick or a stone masonry. So the concrete block are stronger than the brick or a stone work of the same thickness, and therefore the thinner wall may be used. Second advantage is that a hollow concrete block wall make at least the saving of the 30% of the material. A 20 centimeter wall constructed concrete masonry is stronger as a 30 centimeter thick brick wall or a 38 centimeter thick of the stone wall. And next is saving in the cost of the labor, as the work could be speedily up with uh, with a rectangular size of the block, and there is also saving in a mortar. The number of the joint is less, and durability and capacity to resist wear and the damage during the handling, and a greater resistance to atmospheric influence as a concrete surface is harder and denser than the brick, and a greater resistance to a fire as a concrete is not easy attacked by the fire. Concrete block wall are also not attacked by insects. Now wall constructed with a hollow concrete block afford insulation against the heat, cold, damp and sound. The cavity can be used for conveying the pipes and electric wires. Plastering and pointing can be eliminated at the same time of producing superior quality work. And the use of the machine with a larger manufacturing capacity enable quick production of the concrete block. The method of the steam curing enable this block to be laid within an hour of the casting. Now we show the manufacturing of the hollow concrete block videos. So there are the two methods for the manufacturing. First is by manually, and the second one is a by hydraulic press machine. So one by one we see the video. Now see this video. In this video first we show the manually hollow concrete block construction work. So here see this mold. So in this mold, three hollow block mold, and this mold is fixed by nut and bolt. And then after mixing of the cement, sand and aggregate size less than size 6 mm to 12 mm size is used, and then after manually compact this material and fix the material. After the fixing the material, the upper surface is properly finished by the ramming. After completing the process, one wooden plate is compulsory required to stack the wooden block, and then after inner hollow part is removed and remove the mold frame. So exactly seen, we got the one hollow concrete block, and then after this hollow concrete block put in a stayed for the 24 hours, and after 24 hours we got a strength, and after 24 hours curing process is start. So see this video. In this video, number of the block is manufactured by manually. So this method is a manually method. Now this one is a second video. In this video, it's a automatic machine or a hydraulic press machine. So in this method, we require mixture machine. So in a mixture machine, we mix the material like cement, sand and aggregate, and aggregate size 6 mm to 12 mm in a size, and after adding these three material, water is added. So here what required water quantity is a less. So here we got a less water content material. So at the last we add the cement, exactly seen in the video. We add, then after we add a water. So here quantity of the water is less. So in this method, ratio of the cement, sand and aggregate is a 1:3:6. So it's a one part of the cement. Here we use a tagara. So here one tagara of the cement, three tagara of the sand, and six tagara of the aggregate. And this in this method we generally mix with a mixture machine. So after mixing the material, we remove the material in a bucket. See this material. So here in a material, quantity of the water is less. So in this hydraulic press machine, blocks is manufactured on site or on place. Now see this machine, it's a hydraulic press machine. So by mold is prepared by pressing the hydraulic pressure. So in this machine, first we throw the material in a machine buckets, and then after uh, by manually we pour this material in a mold, and then after from the above side, hydraulic by hydraulic pressure, uh, material is compacted, and at the last we prepare a block. So see this inside mold exactly seen. And then after mechanically we compress the mold by hydraulic press, and automatically we remove the blocks, and block is put on a open area for a 24 hours. So this process is continuously repeated for the to prepare a number of the blocks. Thank you.